sit on my clutch, mate. You're creeping forward, you're ruining mine. Right, I'll let you go. Take one pass with me. There you go, mate. Oh, I should let him out, man. He's having a right laugh in the morning.
You'll see when we get home and you watch it. You were looking at your phone. You didn't see it.
No.
I don't think it was directed at us.
In the casket, this Irish bastard doesn't follow your warnings. Stage dive straight off the top of the morning. I'm a modern day Pierce, cause I'm Irish of course. But I'm also a poet that'll die for the cause.
Would be incredible. Yeah, I can't promise.
Oh, Henry's on double yellow lines. Right. Yeah. I think that's Harry, isn't it? Grand scheme of things, but I swear it had a Volkswagen badge on top of the Saab badge. Some of that one, I had too much beer last night. See it just in front of the transit.
It does have a Volkswagen badge.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Why? It's not even German. Okay.
It doesn't have one on the back.
I wasn't saying things, it is there. Almost door dock, isn't it? Hey, do you think he's taxed, MOT'd and insured? Didn't see any signals there, only went the wrong way up a bus lane.